Today on this old house, we used Tack 80 from HTP to weld in, unfortunately, 14 gauge plate because we're got to move this trailer and the 11 gauge hasn't come yet. So Krista's learning how to work with this really thin plate against this 5-inch C-channel. Always exciting.
That didn't work too well.
Yep. Melt the top of the plate and then let it form a pull and then push in a little bit to the C-channel to build the pull.
Bad positioning, hold on.
Yeah, that one's the worst. I with the left hand in that position, that's where I suck the most. Left hand upside down, inside out on a Wednesday. Yeah, just play with it. But that's what we're doing today on this old house with Bob Vila. Well, actually, Bob didn't show up. I think he was scared.